What's up, big man? Welcome in, homie. We're just out here destroying stream streaks one person at a time. Revised, revived, resized, reprised, refreshed. I jest. Has it been 30 minutes? It's been 30 minutes, hasn't it? Wait. You're kidding me. We haven't been streaming for 30 minutes? I thought we were streaming for like an hour. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. We haven't been up for 30 minutes? You've got to be shitting me. What? Let me think hard here. You were lying. Let me check. I don't know how I'm going to check. Because I have no timer now and my brain only works when there's like data right in front of my face. Nope, my bot didn't get reset. Which is weird because it was an internet thing. So my kids, if anyone wasn't watching on Discord, my streamed for over 9,000 seconds. Again, seconds. Can't keep track of that shit. My kids were playing on the couch, and you know, as they do, as kids do, they fell off and played and landed on my router. Or my modem, I mean, whatever it is. And definitely did not know, because when I went upstairs, they were like adorably hiding behind the couch. And I'm like, what are you guys doing?
30 minutes since the last stream ended.
Oh, since the last stream ended. Oh, you know what? I don't know how many... White Bear, I swear you've told me how this works about 1,000 times, and I still don't quite get it. Well, I finally do after that one. Because the 30 minutes between ones that's kind of how they like save the day in terms of like stream crashes, right? Like you got 30 minutes to get your shit together, streamer. Otherwise everyone loses their jank. So it's like, all right, so you got to work fast. I was going to go get myself a pizza, but glad it didn't. Okay. Ooh, he's going to boot the server in safe mode. Nice. I love how we're like troubleshooting in general chat now. I love that emote that Alpine put up. It's fucking awesome. Creepy as shit. So you can basically like you can like farm the watch streak that I have on my bot, but not like the regular watch streak because my bot's not smart enough. So maybe it should work like you can't, like there's a cooldown. You know what I mean? Like, no, that wouldn't be, no, because that wouldn't really like, it would have to be like once I could have it set where the streamer bot closing would be like the trigger that would set that to like delete a single stream from that. I don't know. That'd be a, yeah. You got a poker on screen? Got slots. Mr. Sa. The man, the myth, the legend. Have sharing strict reach override with the bot. But how could I do that? Whoa, no, I could do that, but it would have to like basically sync up every time, because StreamerBot can recognize when the Twitch, like official Twitch watch streak happens in chat, like that can count as a trigger, like that message alone. So like it could almost like it could mess up between him, but every 5 streams or whatever it resyncs because it sees that. That's a good way of doing it. Unless you had a better way, I don't know. My brain is very smooth. Exactly what you're saying? Yeah. That's what, yeah. I was trying to make sure I understood your idea. Nice. That's smart. I was doing like math and shit. What the fuck? No love. What's up, random man? Wait. Random man. I know somebody named Random Gear. We're having a good day over there on YouTube, homie. Picking up the pieces of my life on my mind. I would show the console while we're waiting, but I'm giving us her privacy. I think I'm gonna make hamburgers tonight. Did fish not work? Did I close fish down? Oh, did we already do it? Okay. We're here making a mess of the server. I'm still standing. How you doing, puppy? How's Doggo doing? Hey, puppy. Down. Little treat. Little treat for Doggo. Only people in the widescreen get Doggo. If you're on Twitch and you're watching in the vertical format, go and find my widescreen to see Dog. What, you being a good girl? You being a good... What? You gonna paint your nails? That's funny, Mama. I like the emote. I like the emote. Honestly, absolutely, I'll find. Absolutely. Absolutely. And that was the whole point. We've been beta testing for a little while now, so... well, not a little while, but... long enough for us to... for me to have known better, but I was just trying out a new plugin, and it was a bad one. What's up, Stephanie? Welcome in. All right, loading vanilla data packs only. We're going to try this first. Sounds good, homie. We were wondering what it could have been, and I was looking at that. We were talking about the time that it started happening, and Mama actually took a note down that it was November 1st, Mr. Sir. And I think I added like there was a plugin for dealing with the villagers that I added, and probably a bunch of data packs that morning too when I was kind of doing my thing. That I generally like to do on the server. So, that's probably when it happened. Meaning that all the ones that were available during the first month of play are probably fine. Yeah, click villagers. That's, yeah. So that wasn't, we disabled it and it was fine, but it's more about it being that day, right? So there were some data packs added that day. I'm pretty sure they were just structure data packs, like towers and that kind of shit. So, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, looks like it's in. Can I jump in, or do you want me to wait until you're done fiddling around, Mr. Sir? Beta test servers for 6 months for a single server. Damn, Alpha. Damn. What kind of mod packs are you testing? Go for it. Try to dimension hop. You got it, homie. Appreciate you popping in. I'm sure you're busy, dude. So thanks for giving us your opinion. It's a beautiful seed we got here, though. Damn.
Looks like we got a different world.
Oh, no. We had to get a regen the world. Wait, you sure? Oh, it is new. Oh, no. Oh, we were so happy with that. Well, it's still pretty. This is nice, actually. There has to be an ocean biome, Mr. Oh, look at ocean. Okay, we have for the battleship. Couldn't be helped? Dude, don't even worry about it, man. I appreciate you. This is honestly fucking gorgeous. Oh, I love it. This is awesome. The little lagoon. Can we put the battleship there, or is that too small? Oh, this is nice. All right, you want to build a portal? Hold on, I'm making a new map. Oh no. Okay, all right. Are you putting a portal up, White Bear? Where are you? I can't see you on the map. Are you putting your portal up? Oh, you tried it and it's still broken. Oh, there it is. Got it. So it's not a data pack. Oh, thank gosh, because those ones really do. Oh, of course it can. Yeah, because we have to redo the seed anyway because we have to do the data packs for the generation. Let you hop on? Yeah, for sure. So do you want to? Should we take a bunch, should we pull a bunch of plugins out as well? Or it was relinked, White Bear. Oh yeah, right. Do we want to? Yeah, did you want to try the link command again, White Bear? Good call. I didn't think about that. Ghost made a good point. No, we're in creative mode right now, big man. Sorry, the disasters don't work in creative. The one started because I was in survival for some dumb reason, but yeah, we're doing it. We had to restart the server, so right now we're in nerdy beta testing mode right now. So the fun stuff isn't really happening. But look at the pretty thing. Look at the pretty thing. So yeah, disaster plugin is running. It's very cute. It's very pretty. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes, no change after the command. All right.
Hi.
Thanks, homie. But still, I'm really, you know what? The fact that we've hit 2 different seeds. When we didn't spawn in the ocean. Oh, hold on. When we didn't spawn in the ocean, we got 2 different seeds that in a row that were beautiful. You know what I mean? It's the generation that I think makes it really easy to find a good seed. Mr. Sa. 100%. All right, as a group. Welcome in, Chief. What's the plugins causing it? We don't know. That's the problem. Any logs in the console? Well, you know, I'm sure there's something in there. I'm trying to think. Unfortunately, like Mr. Sir is very, very organized with adding things like plugins to the list and data packs, and even like, and I'm just talking how you have spreadsheets, Mr. Sir, that say when things were added and all that stuff like that.
Yeah.
I generally don't respect that as much as I should. I think that's probably why we could probably find it if I did respect that spreadsheet more and explain exactly. Because there's no data pack section that I could find. Well, I didn't actually look. It might be there.
You got to add them as a drop down.
Nice.
Let me see what this. So this just kind of hangs here the whole time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so let me.
But you can get there
manually then.
You can get there with the link command with the worlds, and it's an active. The Nether's active and fine, and you can also get there with the magic mod as well. So it's really just the portals.
The /e worlds command also works.
Ooh.
So let's try that. All right, so I'm in the Nether. That works.
Oh, cool. Is that from Essentials or something?
Yep.
Nice. I like that.
And then, all right, so that's good.
What's up, Mace?
Everything dies.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Though. Why is
that's
you?
No, that's another thing. Actually, you know what? Since we have somebody that has a little bit of shop knowledge, Alphine, do you have any idea why the Nether would constantly be killing every single mob? It's a strange one, but that started the same
Oh
thing.
shit! Wait a minute.
E-world.
Oh wait, that might be a problem that I made.
You bastard! We were talking about this for like a whole night.
Fuck. Hold on.
You bastard! You son of a bitch. Honestly, this has been hilarious, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed watching everything just cowering. Oh, what's the command to turn off the audio data pack again, or the audio the sound pack?
Oh, I think it's toggle clip sounds or something like that.
Gotcha.
Did I break it? I don't know, actually. All right, let's try this.
Huh.
All right, let me give the server a restart real quick.
Okay. Seems like the clip sound command didn't want to work, but oh, slash.
Toggle clip sounds. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it didn't work. The command worked. It just didn't turn off the no. Oh, I keep thinking we're on a voice chat when that happens, and I just like fucking just deke out mid sentence. I'm a dummy. Do you have shaders? Not on right now, Maze, but yes, definitely we have shaders. I love shaders. We'll flick some on definitely once we get this world going. This SMP is sort of a semi-public thing. It's for people that subscribe to the channel. You know, memberships on YouTube, that kind of stuff, for people that support the channel, and then also for some longer standing members of the community, people that have been around for a little while and have become what we call Craftwellian, which is kind of a role that people get that are kind of just permanent roles for the servers that we have. Yeah, so those people are all welcome to play. We do that just to keep it a little more safe and a little bit more fun to play. So, yeah, thanks for asking. I hope this is and isn't the problem. Custom data pack, because we 1000% my fault. Our plugin. You mean the problem? You're trying to guess the problem, Alfine? I'm gonna guess Mr. Sir didn't. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I don't think he put. I'm not gonna say this. I don't know what he did. Maybe he did it. We definitely put a couple of custom data packs in, but that didn't cause the crash. That I know of, at least. But you know, Mr. Sir is hoping he. Wait. Well, I hope it is the problem. Yeah, I'd rather be. Well, you know, I'll take the blame. Just blame it on me, and then we'll and then we'll call it. It's perfect. There's one I made, but that was no issue. Yeah, hop in. Can't miss that tiny little arrow. Trying to click a big arrow with a small arrow. It's harder than it sounds. Dum, dum, dum. All right. Portal away. Oh, it worked. Shit. What'd you do? You motherfucker. And also, I love you. Oh, I crashed. Is it because we never did? I don't know. OMG. Kicked me out when I went to the portal. Yeah, me too. I mean, we're halfway there. This is good news. Oh shit. Oh no, it legit took me back here. So did I crash in the nether then? Okay, you know, yeah, that's just a straight crash. Hey, that's good though. That's good. We're better off than we were. I left the portal and it didn't kick me this time. Oh. Wait, you left the you went through the portal and it didn't. Can you give us a hint about what it was? Mr. Sir? Oh, I can't even go /spawn. Ugh. I'm getting somewhere. Exactly. We're making progress. We're moving. Ooh, nether height damage that blocks the roof. It's bugged. Oh, I remember us doing that. Yeah. Okay. Cool. No problem. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Just spawn whatever. Last location. Sure. Okay, and that makes sense. So it blocks another roof so we can't go up. Yeah, that was cool with that. Yeah. Oh, by the way, Mr. Sir, I have to make some changes then to my troll mod, my troll boss plugin, because the troll boss plugin puts me on the roof with the teleport. So I have to go like /home or something. I think I went into spec mode last time to get out. Now to fix the protocol error? I don't know what you're talking about. Everything's fine. As good as it gets. Doom doom doo doo doo. Oh, did I break my emote thing? I gotta reset you or something? Oh, maybe because stream reset. That makes sense. This is all kind of alien to me. Beta 173, 125, 147 server stuff is what I'm used to. What's been your main thing over the years with those servers? Minecraft? Is there like obviously I'm guessing. You were kind of like that retro like version guy from the start, and I think that was kind of like that's a nice like hobby to have. You know what I mean? Because man, there were some beautiful versions back then. Obviously Minecraft, yeah. Nice, the devil loves me. Can you get back? I already gave you a treat, little greedy dog. All right, what do we do? Sandwich. Oh, there's a portal right there. I don't care where we're going. Ooh. I was at my hopes up. Oh, okay. I don't want to show the console on screen, but if you think it's fine, then I will. Like, if you don't think there's going to be any issues with anything getting thrown out there, IP address or whatever. You don't care? I'm gonna try something. Wiper, what are you gonna try? No show. Why? What are we gonna be looking at? What are we gonna be looking at? We're hooked up with some. We're pretty secure, but with Mr. Sirs kind of set us up through like a couple different. I guess you can call them safety nets. I don't know, but I don't know, the Discord thing to me is a kind of a nice way of doing it. No, I can't get to the Nether. Oh, fair enough. Fair enough. You can get a lot of data from console stuff. I have a lot to learn, so I'll just play it safe for now, then. Yeah, Whitebear, I know you already said that, buddy. You seem to know your shit. Although it's not like I didn't believe you. It's a calculated risk of not caring so much. You can't. That's kind of what I was saying, Mr. Sir. So I was like, Mr. Sir's kind of like a friggin'. He's like a general rocking around, like making sure that everything's secured. Yeah. White Bear was saying how like we were talking, we were having a mini conversation before about how like a lot of the times there's no problem at all and it's fully safe and everything, but if there's any kind of minor like annoyance where you have to reset anything or change anything, then it's like fuck it. Not worth it. Not worth it. Even having to reset a password or whatever is too annoying these days. Honestly, these days, like think of like your first ever email that you still have. If you're one of those people, I still have one from when I was like, younger, and use it for a lot of stuff. And obviously, I've used that to log into a lot of things and a lot of whatever, right? So like changing that password is like the absolute nightmare. My entire world resets, and I forget. Why nothing works for like 4 days when I change my password. Google nuked it? I am living in a Hotmail nostalgic bubble. Well, no, I've got my main emails are Gmail, like my work email and everything is all that stuff is whatever is Gmail, obviously, but I have a nostalgic Hotmail I'll never let go of. Never. Just restarting here, guys. What are you working on now, Mr. Sir? What's the main booting up? Try this, yeah. So what was is the nether roof still the problem, right? So is that what? So yeah, we were able to get in and out of the end, no problem, right, White Bear? No, not at the. Oh, that's because my computer died. I tried that end portal at the end, but I think that wasn't working because my internet was dying. But just trying to reset all of the config. Okay, fair enough. We only did with commands. Okay. I did put the end portal up on my feed at one point, but then it didn't work. But I think that was because my internet was crashing. I have my dedicated and wings node behind a Cloudflare proxy, says Ghost, and the Dedi itself is behind a proxy chain with the custom firewall rules and FPS setup, and that's in a black box inside of a jet, which is circling Area 51. That's what we do at Skynode. Let's go. Need a job, Ghost? No. for paper specifically. Oh, paper specifically has different types of like security things. Oh shit, we're up. What am I doing? All right, here we go. Shit stays alive. What stays alive? You in the nether? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Yo, they fixed it. Really? Yo, I see mobs. I see mobs. Yo, why the fuck is he here? Oh. Something I did broke it. Lovely. I'm gonna get out of here because I can't hear. That command does not turn off. That command does not turn off the sounds, by the way. It works! Everybody! Okay, baby. Why don't you watch another one? I gotta go upstairs with my kids soon. Well, a little bit yet, but I still have time left. Still kick me out on the way out? Really? I got out. Does Skynode have high-class daddies? I'm gonna say yes. Look, I've been using them for about was it like 3 years, 4 years, something like that. And playing as much SMP shit as I do, like I'm just end user, right? I'm kind of newer to some of the more technical stuff that we're talking about now. But as an end user, it's like I've been with other like SMPs beforehand, and like just the quality of like service alone is just next level. Like, and plus like Mrs. Sir, this jackass comes in and like is all friendly and shit and becomes like our friend, fucking guy. So that's why I can never leave now. Okay, all right. This is F for you in particular type deal. Wait a minute, hold on. Yeah, why is it you? Why are you having a problem? All right, I gotta try again now. Maybe you only get one free one and then the rest kicks you. Ah, you get one free one. Huh. Interesting. What about teleporting back with slash spawn or something, White Bear? Yeah, or yeah, eWorld or whatever. Yeah. I'll try it. I spawned in the portal and ended up back. We gotta get that sound off. So it did work. Yeah, the command worked for me. How do I get that resource pack off? I can't go into the nether. This is also bugging me. Hey, welcome. Shut the fuck up. You try an unmodded client? Looked at Skyno, but it's single instance servers and dedicated servers. Prices are great though. Yo, nice. Yeah, from an end user, it sounds it's heaven. Sounds like you're a little bit more of an advanced user there that might have some need for some other things, but it sounds pretty common. Appreciate the kind words though. We're making progress. Hi. Hey, is fish broken? Let me restart fish. Everything broke on that restart. Wait until serverware gets off the ground. You like it so much? Yeah. Server Wave is kind of one of the, or I guess the developers and the admin, the runners of Skynode. Oh, got ads. I'll wait because we've all heard about Server Wave. Don't have a damn. Ah, it's pretty common. I miss like everything. Thanks, Mama. Never there. Never there. Yeah, look at me. Look at me sitting there. My dirty fisherman thing. Hey, does it still work? Can we still buy things with that thing I made? Honestly, I don't think anybody's tried it in like months, so. Oh, looks like you've been trying out AMP recently? Seems decent so far. Yo. You moved away from Pterodactyl panel and moved to the Pelican panel? What's with like the bird-like names? It's pretty in this world though, isn't it? You'll never ever day. Welcome back. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, Server Wave is kind of the next generation of hosting, at least in terms of the businesses that some of these homies at Skynode are setting up, like Tico, and I don't know. You sound like you're pretty involved in it too, Mr. Sir. So I'm not sure exactly who the main developers of it are, but sounds pretty groundbreaking. At least how I understand it. I'm not going to try and describe it now, but yeah, there's some there's some content online you can find that'll give you do a better job explaining how they do it better. But it's a little bit more of the KS cluster. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, basically it's like the way that I see most things as an end user. I'm like, oh, so if I'm going to get a server, how's that going to change for me, right? And the way that one's different for me is at least that it's sort of like how do I explain it? Like, I don't want to say this. Well, I guess pay as you go is one way to kind of do it, right? But I guess deciding what kind of server you want to run and having more of a freedom to sort of make those choices. Pay for what you use versus pay for what you have. Yeah, well, that's a more simplistic way of saying it. I appreciate that. Boom, boom, and here's my scandal. Need you to leave, real quick. Sorry, live face. I mean, that was rude. What's up, Chloe? How you doing, homie? How's Moon doing? Let me watching people trying to poke holes in my avatar. Wait, what? What are you talking about? Poke holes. What, Discord? Till the break of dawn. Full story, obviously, but Server Wave needs seems to be Skynode's answer to Eterno's Axor. I mean, I know some of those letters. Most of them. Most of those letters. Ooh, Coca-Cola. Ah, yeah. That's good. What time is it? Battle on screen. Oh shit! I honestly forget how people talk about that all the time, and I just have no idea that that's happening in the room. I'm staring like it's right here. I can see it happening, but I just totally forget. Yeah, it gets pretty dangerous. Like someone's got sometimes I remember one time, it was like a year ago. We stopped using it for a while, but a year ago, and there was someone had an axe, and I can't remember who it was, but an axe got stuck in someone's head, and I think it was glitch or something, but it would not come out. Like this person was like dragging that person around with an axe on their head or a head on their axe, I guess, more precisely. I think it's called Intro Fighters is what the thing is called. But I don't use it just for the intro because that's not cool enough. Similar client side. But yeah, probably the difference is mainly the back end, which is meant to be so much more affordable for you guys. Nice. Nice. let me get in here to help Chloe. You can choose your emote by doing exclamation point emote space and then whatever emote you want. And if you just send any regular message, you have like a 20% chance of just having an emote sent out. Well, if I do Mr. Sir, I have 2 weapons. I'm shooting people and stabbing people. I could say that, right? Yeah, I can say that. This sucks because this is a painful process. The plugin. Wait, hold on, wait. Oh, so it's a plugin. Oh shit, I missed that part. Fuck, which plugin is it? Do you know which one it is? Welcome back, Kay. We're still struggling. I mean, no, we're making progress. We're learning. It was a bigger problem than we thought with the whole portal thing. So I'm glad we got to figure it out because we would never have been able to have done it alone. You know? Not a clue? Oh, fuck. Wait. Hold on, no. Hold on, wait. Because we do know that it was later. We were in the Nether. There was no issues, like, back and forth. The only issue started was November 1st, which was when, you know, the first plugin was Click Villagers. That's the one we know was added after the thing stopped. But I'm trying to think of what other ones were added. Is there any type of thing that we can check to see a date? Probably not, right? To the spreadsheet. I mean, that's not a terrible idea, actually. I did actually. That's a good point because I did. If it's a plugin, then I did use it. Okay, shut up, Click. No, I did. Plugins, I always did. Data packs, I didn't fuck with because I was like, I don't know. I should have asked. I just didn't do it. Who just threw their sword? I'm watching there. That was pretty funny. You just like hucked your sword at him. No, I should have put it in there. So if any of those say November 1st or later, then those are definitely it. But I don't know what else I added after that. I think that was it. They only use data packs and plugins. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a minute, Chloe, but like old friends. We're messing around. We got bored with all the mods 10, so now we're making all the plugins 1. But it'll be fun. This will be like a sort of a community server that we're gonna have. So we're just taking a minute trying to make sure it's working right because it is a complicated beast. Oh, I think I missed a few. Fuck me. Okay, all right. There's more plugins in the server than on the sheet. Fuck. Okay, list them. I definitely might have missed one. Then let me see here. Can I log back in and do a? I'll just hold on. Let me see what's the best way to find them. I could go into the file manager, I guess. Hell well, yeah. Okay, all right. That sounds good. Let me see here. Okay, all right. Let's look through here and try and think date wise. Now, Mr. Sir. Now these here are modified dates, right? So these down here, like I'm not clicking on these jars. So these are the original dates, aren't they? Yeah, October. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. So Vein Miner. The new Vein Miner one we added. Okay, Vein Miner was one. I do remember that because it was that before it was a data pack, and then we changed to. Wait a minute. Didn't we delete? Oh, it's disabled. Fuck. Oh no, this one's disabled. This one's not. This must be the one that we're using now. Then okay, all right. Jam jars, yes, yes. It's raspberry. Bumbleberry. What's the weirdest dumbass name of a berry? Possibly Vein Miner. Just anything after November 1st. Portable beacons. That was the other one. That one doesn't do anything in terms of dimensions or whatever. Jam's amazing. You don't like Jam? Yeah, portable beacons and what's it called? Then worlds, obviously. Fly mechanics. Vein Miner again. Yeah, now we're in the folders. Dingo. I'm 5 years old. That laughed way too hard at that one. That's fucking funny. Okay, I'm gonna say yeah. That's just 2. Unless it was like the very, very, very end. Like could have been like, look, the 29th. Wild Chess. Okay. Maybe Wild Chess could have been it. That was the 29th of October. Could have been Wild Chest, maybe Ultimate Inventory. Oh, no. That's we haven't crafted well. This is my baby. We can't get rid of that. Item and protocol. Good question. Mr. Sir, you were the one that did the updates, right? You removed a few? What, just now you did? Can you tell me what you removed? What did you get rid of? That worked so hard. Oh, shoot. Okay, we'll try it again. Damn it. What did you just get rid of? Okay, let me go back. Armor up, skill. Did you unload all the ones that were after November 1st? That's what that'd be a smart way to do it. That's probably what I would have wanted to do too. I can't even tell you your move, to be honest. I don't know them that well, I guess. Pretty much, yeah, that's smart. That's what I would have done too. All right, we're in. No more fucks to give. I don't use desktop capture to capture my desktop, right? Like I use it to capture this window. And if I bring something onto screen, it's on purpose. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, well I don't know, like, but that worked for me before. You have to do it twice, right? Because you get kicked on the second one. Oh, it's still broken? Okay. Well, that's intriguing. Yep. Yeah, babe? What? Girl's so cute. I'm just gonna start deleting. Okay, all right. Deleting or disabling? Because maybe once we find the bad one, we can turn all the other ones on that we've deleted. Set up service so it randomly disables 5% plugins without causing dependency issues. Wait, what? Set up a service so it randomly disables 5% of plugins without causing dependency issues every restart. We would never know what we were playing with. What are you talking about? That sounds like chaos. Oh, you have a backup. Okay, yeah. Well, that is faster. You're right. Okay, the backups. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you did just mention that, to be honest. I totally forgot, yeah. Probably another portal proximity linking issue. If there are 2 portal close. For the reason why we were getting kicked. I mean, those were about 60 blocks away, I think, weren't they? I think that's the number. Before they start to link each other. We could go check. Maybe. I mean, you're really, like, thinking about some... No, there was 2... Oh, there was one on the ground there, one in the trees, wasn't there, Mr. Sir? Oh, or you just did a fresh world. Like this particular time was fresh. I get you. Need a better weapon? Everyone got a weapon there the last time. Did you drop it already? Removing the plugins, fixed it. So, oh, removing all the plugins fixes it. The actual error is, oh, fuck. Okay, buddy, thank you for sending that. Huh. Out of bounds. So I'm just trying to read through this as best I can to. Interesting. Seems like a generation thing, though, isn't it? Maybe the waypoints data files. Ooh. Oh. Ghost. Interesting. Yeah, what about the waystones? Not the waypoints. Maybe that might be, yeah. But sorry, maybe you triggered a different idea. Remember the waystones stayed in the world and kind of like loaded in? Do you think there's anything that's causing... Did we have a waypoint or a waystone in the nether? Because that... No, I don't know. I'm trying to think about... Yeah, the waystones, because that stayed in, right? All the data or whatever. But what were you saying then, Ghost, as I misread your sentence? The waypoints from like the maps or whatever, the data files, removing them might fix a network protocol error due to how it does teleportation. Oh, okay. Okay. We could even start. We're almost in the mix now. We're starting a brand new world. Is just pretty easy, Oh, the waystones. Okay, yeah. So then your idea did trigger the right idea then. Yeah. The waypoints, waystones. Yeah. Good call. Then yeah, Ghost. Good idea. That's what I was. That's what your idea led me to think anyway. So it was sounds like you're on point there. That makes sense, right? Because that thing does take you between dimensions and shit too. So it would have some sort of like. I don't know. I'm trying to imagine words there that could describe this. In a way that wouldn't make me sound like a troglodyte. But I can't think of anything, so I'm just going to stretch and think about dinner. I'm going to make hamburgers today. I got some potatoes. I'm going to slice them up. I might throw them in oil. Might get bad tonight. And then, like, I might make some, like, onion gravy. Right? It's like fry up some onions and caramelize them all nice. And then, like, a little stock powder or something in there with, like, some water. Hell yeah. Let's go. Doing plugins instead of mods makes things complicated, but it's worth it. It's so worth it. Yeah, people aren't good with mods that can play too. Yeah, and it's not even just about being good with mods, because the cool thing is that most of the time people don't generally know plugins very well, because people play mods. You know what I mean? Like I can admit that, right? So when you come in and all of a sudden you've got a plugin that is brand new to everybody, it kind of levels the playing field a little bit, where everybody doesn't know how to do Mystic Agriculture, everybody doesn't know how to do AE2, and that's fun. That's fun. And then not to mention the fact that obviously the one thing I keep on saying over and over again is that if I want to do a thank you to some of the subscribers and all that kind of stuff, right? To do that in a place where you have to have a nice PC in order to enjoy it seems kind of silly, because who the fuck, like, you don't have to have a nice PC to enjoy Twitch, like, or YouTube, right? So should expect that. With creators is different, right? Like if you go to if you get invited to a creator to an event, like they're expecting that you can handle like some mods and shit like that, right? But it's different. So I'm really glad that we can offer that. And that's what Craftwell is too, right? This isn't a new idea. This is something that Mr. Sir brought up to a long time ago. Better performance than client 2? Yeah. Hell yeah. From my perspective, the brunt of the work should be on the server ribbons, not the players. That's fucking exactly right, man. That's what I love. So, what a better way to do a community server. Okay, Pumpkin, we're gonna have dinner real soon. Okay, give me a few more minutes, and then I'll come up and we'll make it happen. Okay? Do you want to help me cook? You do? We're gonna make hamburgers. Okay. Well, you are the cheese lady. She's the cheese lady. Whenever there's cheese, she likes to be the one to put the cheese You can be the sauce lady too. Love making mod packs and playing pre-made ones, but not everyone has a computer. Yeah, I read that already. Yeah. Enjoy testing, giving feedback. You're an amazing tester because you get deep into it, Mom. I love it because you know what I mean. Like you'll find a mod and like start playing it. And I get a little bit like impatient and kind of jump to the end usually and skip over some of the middle stuff, which is where usually some of the bugs happen. So you're like, click, I can't vein mine a tree right now. I'm like, oh shit. We gotta add trees to the vein miner, or the permissions. We have to get that vein miner figured out too, right? The perms on that. Get me through this. Some custom mods that I can code directly for the mods. Make them work potato computers. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's one way to do it. Cheese lady. Yeah, she's a cheese lady. So cute. Waystones didn't do it? Fuck me. Okay. And you deleted the file, the folders, like the data folders, not just the plugins, right? I guess config is what I was trying to say. Well, we're gonna here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna end it here. We're gonna pick it back up tomorrow and try again. I'm sure that you guys might have a few more thoughts here before I go. You don't need to delete the folders if the plugins don't load. Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, I guess I wouldn't. Nothing. It would just be sitting there doing nothing. Yeah, good point. Nothing would be interpreting that data. Click convey mine stone or any block. Only ores. Oh yeah, right. Just ores. Yeah. We gotta fix that. And you tried with different tools, right? Are you done now? Yeah, we're done, monkey. You want to say goodbye? Yep. Okay. Bye, everybody. Okay, go upstairs, and I'm gonna come up in a minute. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll get it started. We'll try this again. I'll be live a little bit earlier than I was today. So yeah. Oh, you want to say goodbye too, buddy? Okay, bye. Bye, everybody. All right. So yeah, thank you for thank you for vibing out, homies. This is a banger. Anybody live you guys want to go to? We can just end it or try to be a little more thoughtful with my raids lately here. Ellie Beatmaker's live. Let's go throw over to Ellie, guys. Do get me through this. See you tomorrow. Say see you mañana. See you mañana. That was pretty freaking good. First try. Ellie, yeah, White Bear, that's right, buddy. You got the same mindset. Thank you for being here, Mama. You were incredible today. I appreciate you. I'm sorry we couldn't actually play today. I was hoping we could jump in and get started today, but hopefully maybe by the end of the day you can pop in. Get a cake. I appreciate you, everybody. Ghost, it's nice meeting you. Thank you for being here. I will see you guys tomorrow. You just farted. Okay, go up there here.
Is it following us?
I love you guys tons.
Yes,
stay well.
Oh my god.
Sorry, we're playing RP there. Yeah, we just got attacked by a freaking bear.
Oh my god. Third gear. Oh, it's struggling.
Oh, I flew out.
No.
Go back to first.
Back to first.
All right. Stop.